O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. All of you, please open your eyes. Please stand up, all of you. Please stand up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Gayatri. Sit down. Okay. So we can start. So let us recall what we learned in the previous classes. Then we will take the textbook. Okay. Ma'am is going to share the screen. Please be quiet and listen to ma'am. Look at the screen. Okay. Let me share the screen. And ma'am is going to ask questions. So they will give the answers. Those who to whom I am asking, they will give me the answers. Others, please be quiet. Okay. Srisham, only unmute, and others, please be quiet and tell me what is the position of the cat. Srisham, what is the position of the cat?
The cat is on the woolen ball.
Very good. The cat is on the woolen ball. Now we can move to the next one. Gayatri, please unmute. Gayatri, please unmute and tell me the next one. Look at the screen. Gayatri, unmute and tell me the next one. What is the position of the cat? What is the position of the cat? Gayatri, listen here. Look at the screen. What is the position of the cat? Is it on the ball or under the ball, my dear?
Cat is under the ball.
Very good, very good. It's under the ball. Good, good. Now we can move to the next one. Sam, please unmute and tell me the next one. What is the position of the cat? Sam?
Cat is above the ball.
Very good. It's above the woolen ball. Now we can move to the next one. Johais, tell me what is the position of the cat?
The cat is below the woolen ball.
Very good. It's below the woolen ball. Now we can move to the next one. Isra Francis, tell me what is the position of the cat? Isra, what is the position of the cat?
Cat is near the woolen ball.
Woolen ball. Very good. 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 Now we can move to the next one. Aiden, please unmute and tell me the next one. What is the position of the cat?
Cat is far the woolen ball.
Is far away. Far away from the woolen ball. The cat is far away from the woolen ball. Very good. Now we can move to the next one. Ivania Rose, look at the screen. What is the position of the cat?
A cat in front of woolen ball.
Okay, once again. The cat is in front of the woolen ball. Tell me.
A cat is in front of a
woolen ball. Okay, the cat is in front of the woolen ball. Okay, now we can move to next one. Dhyan Madhav, please unmute and tell me the next one. What is the position of the cat? Dhyan Madhav, unmute and tell me.
The cat is behind the woolen ball.
Very good. The cat is behind the woolen ball. Good boy. Advaita, please unmute and tell me the next one. What is the position of the cat?
A cat is under the box.
And look at the picture. Look at the picture. Where is the cat?
Cat is in front.
Look at here. Look at here. Where is the cat?
Cat is.
Look here. Look here.
Cat
Is it in
box?
Advaita.
Cat is inside of box.
Now listen here. Listen here. The cat is inside the box.
Inside the box.
Tell me once again. What is the position of
Inside the box.
the cat? Is
The cat is
inside the box.
inside the box.
Once again, the cat is
Is
inside the box.
box.
Okay, now we can move to the next one. Christabel, please unmute. Look at the next one. What is the position of the cat?
The cat is out the box.
Outside, outside.
Outside the box.
The cat is outside the box. Okay,
The cat is outside the box.
okay. Now we can move to the next one. Rituparna, please unmute and tell me. You can see here a mouse, cat, and ball. Here we are
Yes.
using before, between, after. The mouse is in front of the cat. So what we can say? The mouse is dash the cat. Which word we will use here? The mouse is
Before the cat.
before the cat. The mouse is before the cat. Now, Jewel Maria, please unmute. Look at the next one. What is the position of the cat? It is at the middle position. So which word we can use here? The cat. Very good. Now tell me the sentence. The cat is
The cat is between the cat.
between the mouse.
Then the bird. Cat is and bird.
Between the mouse and the bird. Okay, very good. Now we can move to the next one. Badrinath, please unmute. Look at the screen. Badrinath, please unmute and look at the screen. What is the position of the cat? Badrinath, listen here. What is the position of the cat? Sorry, what is the position of bird? Is it behind the cat or in front of the cat? What's the position of the ball? Badrinath, listen here. Unmute and tell me the answer. The ball is it before cat or after cat? The ball is Badrinath. Can you hear?
The ball is after the cat.
The ball is after the cat. Ball, it is behind the cat. So we can use the word after. Okay, good. Now,
Is after.
the ball is after the cat. Okay, please take the textbook, all of you. Textbook part 1. Those who have the textbook, please take textbook.
I have non-text.
It's okay, Advait. It's okay. Please listen to ma'am, look at the screen. When you get it, that time you please copy into that, the answers. Okay. Take page number 4. Take page number 4. Advait, please listen here. Okay, look at the screen. The same page you can see on the screen. Now let me share the screen. The same page you can see on the screen also. All of you got the same page, page number 4. Yes, you got it. Now, okay, now you please listen here. Page number 4. Page number 4. Okay, please listen here. It's written here CHOOSE. Choose THE. The CORRECT. Correct. ANSWER. Choose the correct answer. You can see a picture. Okay. In the picture, you can see many objects. Based on the picture, the question is asked. You can see some questions below the picture. Now, Jennifer, please unmute. Jennifer, please unmute. Tell me which all object you can see in the picture. Tell me which object you can see in the picture.
Table.
Yeah, yes, table.
The table.
Okay,
Jack.
jug,
Jack. Teddy. Cat.
teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Ah,
Dog.
dog,
Butterfly.
butterfly,
Ball.
ball,
Box.
box.
Cat.
You can also see a Jennifer. Very good. Now we can move to next one. Aiden, please unmute and tell me what all things you can see in the screen or in the picture. What all things you can see in the picture?
Doll.
Ah, no, here you can see a teddy bear. Okay, this is a teddy.
Teddy bear.
Okay, then
Ball. Ball. Box.
you can see a ball. Okay,
Cat.
cat,
Butterfly.
butterfly,
Dog.
dog,
Box.
box,
Jug.
jug,
Table.
table. Very good. So these things you can see. Now let us see what is the first question. Okay, let us see the first question. Please be quiet and listen to me. Okay, now
Cat.
Asiya, please unmute. Asiya, please unmute and read the first question. Try to read the first question, Asiya. Question A. Ah,
Jack.
J-U-G, jug.
Jack.
Ah,
In.
ah,
E. O. N. On.
yes. Okay, it's written on. Okay, very good.
The.
Ah,
T.
ah.
A. T. L. E.
Hmm.
Table.
Okay, very good. It's written here. The jug is dash the table. The answer is already written there. So no need to write it again. Listen here. The jug is dash the table. Now we can see
The.
few options here. One is
Jug. The jug is on the table.
okay, good. Now listen here. Listen here. The jug is dash the table. Look at the options here. First one, O-N, own. Another one, I-N, in. So there are two options. We have to choose the correct option. We have to choose the correct option. So look at the jug. Look at the jug. Look at the jug. The jug is on the table or in the table. We can see. Is it on the table or in the table?
In the table.
On the table. Listen here. Listen here. It is on the table. How we say on the table? Because there is no gap between the table and the jug. It is touching the table. So we can say the jug is on the table. No need to write again. Listen here. It's already written there. So no need to write. You can put tick mark for the word on. O-N. On. The jug is on the table. The jug is on the table. It's already written there, so no need to write again. You can put a tick mark for the word on, on. Trisha, please unmute and read the second one. B.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
The ball is dash the
B-O box. Very good, very good. The ball is dash the box. You can see two options here. First one, O-U-T-S-I-D. Also, you can see another one, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. So outside. Now look at the the ball? Is it at the table or inside the table? Drisha, is it inside or outside the table?
Inside.
Inside. Very good. The ball is in. Ball is inside the table. So put tick mark for inside. INSIGE, inside, and write the word INSIGE, inside. All of you please write the answer. Eric Saji, write the answer. INSIGE, inside. INSIGE, inside. The ball is inside the box. If we look at carefully, we can see the ball is inside the box. Inner part, interior, inside. The ball is inside the box. Inside the box. INSIDE, inside. Now, Eric Saji, please unmute and read question C.
The dog.
In the dog is
C.
See.
Look at question C.
See like a
THE. The
THE.
D.
D.
UTTERFLY. What is that?
Y.
What is that? BUTTERFLY. Butterfly.
Right.
Butterfly.
The butterfly is.
IFE.
The butterfly is dash THE. The
Nearly dog.
THE. The DOG, dog. Once again, the butterfly is dash dog.
Butterfly is dash nearly
Now,
dog.
okay, now look at the options. ABOVE. Above. Another UNGER. Under. Above and under. Now look at the butterfly and the dog. Look at the butterfly and the dog. The butterfly is
A
above
butterfly
the dog or under the dog?
under.
Is it above the dog or under the dog?
Above.
Above. So which word we have to put a tick mark? Is it above or under?
Above.
Above. What is spelling above? It is above. So what is the spelling? Tell me the spelling. A
B
E O
O
V E. Above. So the butterfly is above the dog. All of you write. The butterfly is above the dog. All of you write the answer. Butterfly is above the dog. Tick the word above and write the spelling above. ABOVE, above. ABOVE, above. Vedika Vinish, please unmute. Vedika, please unmute. Vedika Vinish, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. You have completed the answer above?
Yes.
Vedika, you have completed?
Yes.
Yes. Now we can move to question D.
D.
Vedika, please read question D. Unmute and read. THE. Unmute Vedika. Vedika, unmute and read. Vedika, unmute and read. Okay. Now,
THE.
the
Under the table.
T. Be quiet. Be quiet. Wait, Vedika. See, only Vedika unmute, others please be quiet. Vedika, once again, please unmute and read. The cat is. Vedika, please read. The cat is. Fatima, please mute. Amna Fatima, please mute. Vedika, please read. Okay, Vedika, please read once again. The cat is. Unmute, Vedika. Vedika. Vedika, unmute and read. Okay, now you can.
Is
Dash.
dash
THE. The
table.
table. Okay, the cat is dash the table. Now, what are the options given? A, B, O, V, E. Above. U, N, G, E, R. Under. Above, under. Now, look at the cat. The cat. What is the position of the cat? Is it above the table or under the table? Vedika? Is it above the table or under the table? Cat?
Under.
What's the spelling of under? It's under. So what's the spelling? Tell me
UN
the
DE
DER.
R.
Very good. The cat is under the table. Very good. Very good. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. UNDER. Under. Under the table.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, good. Very good. Very good. The cat is under the table.
Finish, ma'am.
UN.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Very good. Very good. Helen Rose, please unmute and read the next one. Helen, unmute and read question E. Unmute. Okay, read.
The dog is near the table.
No, no. Read the question. Is
The dog is
that.
at the table.
Okay, what are the options given? FAR, far. AWAY, away.
Far away.
From, far away from. Another one, NEAR, near. So
Near.
the dog is dash the table. Is it far away from the table or near the table? So look at the table and the dog. So is it far away from the table or near the table? Helen?
The dog is far away in the table.
Dog is far away from the table or near the table?
Near the table.
Why it is near the table? It's correct answer. Why it is near the table? The distance between the table and the dog is very less. So we use the word near. NEAR, near. Very good. Now we can write the word here. Near. The dog is near the table. The dog is near the table. All of you write the answer. N-E-A-R, near. N-E-A-R, near. The dog is near the table.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, Srihari, please unmute. Srihari, please unmute. And look at the last one, F. Read the
The-
question. Read the question. The T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy, B-E-A-R. Teddy bear.
Where
Ah,
is
ah,
the
ah.
finish, ma'am? Jack.
Okay, the teddy bear is dash the jig. The teddy bear is dash the jig. Now, here the options are B-E-H-I-N-D, behind, I-N-F-R-O-N-T, in front, O-F, in front of. Now, look at the teddy bear and the jig. Teddy bear and the jig. The teddy bear is behind the jig or in front of the jig? The teddy bear is behind the jig or in front of the jig? Tell me the answer, Srihari.
In front of.
Very good. It's in front of because the position of teddy bear is at the front. So we can say the teddy bear is in front of the jig. Put tick mark for in front of and write here the spelling. I-N, in, F-R-O-N-T, in front, O-F, in front of. The teddy bear is in front of the jig. It is at the front position. So we can say the teddy bear is in front of the jig. The teddy bear is in front of the jig. I-N, in, F-R-O-N-T, front, O-F, of, in front of, at the front position.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, good, very good. Now we can just read
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
sentence once again. Please be quiet.
Finish, ma'am.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Please be quiet. Aradhya, please unmute. Aradhya, please unmute. And read the first line. A. Once again, please read A.
The
Ah,
jack is
ah.
on the table.
The jig is on the table. Once again.
The jug is on the table.
Okay, very good. Now, Vaika, please unmute and look at the second one. B. Read the sentence.
The
Ah. The ball is B-A-L-L, ball. The ball is
ball is
I-N-S-I-D-E, inside.
dash
The ball is inside the box.
the
Read. The ball is inside the box.
finish. The ball is inside the box.
Inside the box. Very good, very good. The ball is inside the box. Now, Adya Rahul, please unmute and read the question C. Question C, please read it once again.
Is about
The butterfly is above the dog. Read.
The butterfly is about the dog.
Okay, very good. Now, it's okay. Now we can move to the next one. D. Satvik Vinod, where are you? Satvik.
Finish, mom.
Satvik Vinod, please read the question D. Satvik, please unmute and read.
Finish, ma'am.
It's okay if you have completed. Very good. Listen to ma'am. Look at the screen. Satvik, read question D. THE. Unmute, my dear. Satvik, please. Okay, now read. THE.
The ball is
No. D. Question D. The cat is.
the cat.
The cat is
The cat is
UNDER. Under.
under
The
table.
under the table. Once again, complete sentence. The cat is under the table.
Cat is under the table.
Okay, good. Now we can move to the next one. Isa, please unmute and read the next one. E. Question E, please read. Unmute and read. Isa. THE. The. Read. Question E.
The
Ah.
dog is
Ah.
near the table.
Once again.
The dog is near the table.
Okay, very good. The dog is near the table. Jasmine Shibu, please unmute and read the last one. Jasmine, please read the last one once again. THE.
Ma'am,
Read.
ma'am,
Yes, please tell me, my dear.
ma'am. I don't have book.
It's okay. Look at the screen. Look at the screen and read. THE. The
The
TEDDY. Teddy.
teddy
BEAR. Teddy bear.
is in front of the
Jug.
jug.
Once again, the teddy bear is in front of the jug.
The teddy bear is in front of jug.
Very good. So all of you please listen here. Those who don't have the textbook, please write when you get it. Okay, copy the answers in the textbook. Okay, and it's time to adding question. I think it's clear to you all. Everyone has written the answers. The same I will forward in the okay. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next section. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.